My name's Riley Reynolds. I'm from Plainfield, Illinois, and I drive a 1990 Honda Wagon.
Perfect. Cool. So what are some things that you've done to the car so far?
Well, I started off with suspension and then wheels, and then started moving up with more, like, I should say better suspension parts.
Nice ass wagon.
God damn it.
Nice car, man.
Thanks. Anyway, but started moving up with like better suspension parts, I guess. I have MPC drop forks and drop lowering control arms, and then I'm on function form type 2 coilovers.
Was this your first car?
Yeah, this is my very first car. I bought it when I was 15. Actually working at a pizza place with Kyle for 2 days, and then got a job at McDonald's actually, and then working hard every day. So.
What was the first mod you've ever done to it? What was the first thing you...
I bought some wheels, some, crap, I don't even know. Some Avids, like the bottle cap wheels, like the, almost like salad shooters, but they're a little bit like the slots in between were real thin. I guess I liked them a lot. They're like had that old school kind of look, I guess.
What about, what's your favorite memory with it so far? Or craziest story?
Best memory was Grid Life when I won Best Japanese. That was a lot of fun. That was my first Grid Life ever. Going to do it again this year. So hopefully Caesar does a video because it's going to be lit. And then probably the craziest memory was when we were actually here at 5-story packing 3 girls wide in the wagon. So that wasn't like really crazy. It was just memorable because everyone, you know, like giving me shit and whatnot. A lot of good times in here, good vibes only in that car. So
how did you find the car? Like how was it that you actually got it?
My buddy, not my buddy, pretty much my brother Kyle Moore. I was looking for a car, and then he was like, how about this? And I've seen it before on Craigslist. It was on there forever, and I just thought it was, you know, just gonna be beat. But turns out Kyle's like, you know, check this car out, why not? And I ended up texting the guy. Like, I still talk to the owner, or the previous owner, till this date. Really cool guy, and yeah, I'm just glad nothing. He didn't touch anything. He didn't fuck with it. He just kind of kept it how it was, and then so I respect that a lot.
Did you pick it up around here, like Chicagoland area?
Yeah, in Gurnee, where the Six Flags is at. For you guys don't know the Chicagoland area, but yeah, right by the Six Flags. So.
Any shows that you've been in it so far? Awards that you've gotten from it?
Awards? That's not really, yeah, the car has a couple awards, but that's not my main focus for this car at all. I'm actually thinking about slowing down and not going to the bigger shows, just cause it's just politics and whatnot. I don't know. It's just a competition. That's what it is, and that's not why I built the car. And that's same with bike, because I BMX. That's why I didn't go hard. Just because that, you know, I shouldn't say go hard, but like I didn't want to go pro. I didn't want to get anywhere with it because that's not why I bike. But anyway, yeah, I won Best Honda at Import Face Off, Honda and Acura at Offset Kings, Best JDM at Grid Life, another Import Face Off, Best Old School, and then I believe there was another one from Import Face Off. Forget which one it was, but obviously I have 3 awards from Import Face Off, but I like the event a lot. It's ran very organized, and everyone there is really nice, and it's just a lot of fun because there's a lot to do at that event. And then this year, still like at the Import Face Off events, I'll be there. Just local events. I don't know if I'm gonna go to any indoor, but it's still a lot of fun regardless.
Okay, what about any future plans for it?
I was actually just thinking about that today. I could do a little bit more body work, even though I just did that. But yeah, it's an ongoing process. So I could do a little bit more body work and try to figure out some stuff. It's just hard when, I mean, the motor's all original and same with the interior, so I don't want to like touch it. Yeah, it's cool to do stuff, but it's original, and so I just want to kind of keep it like that. So.
Any special shout outs you want to give out? Or?
Yeah, at Calmore 197. That's the guy who found this car. Big shout out to him. And big shout out to Clean Crew. And Caesar, definitely. Thanks for hitting me up for doing this video. Never done this before, so.
Thank you for doing it. First person?
Yeah, no problem. Hey, who knows? So hope you guys like his video. Just keep watching it. So subscribe.
Yeah, we'll put the Instagram right here for Riley. And
Hey, hopefully he does more videos too. I really hope he does. So stay tuned.
Titanic.
Insert the music.
Jack.
Like right here. Right here is perfect.